Hello everyone, welcome to our English lesson number 31. I hope you're great. Today is Wednesday, we are on June the 3rd in the year 2020, and the topics that we are going to see, first of all, we are going to study the flashcards in our spelling and vocabulary section. That is on page number 7. The words are from 1 to 6. And after that, we'll have to write them down 3 times each one. And that activity is on page 8. And finally, we'll be working in our grammar section, okay? So go and get your contract and open it up on page 12, letter A. And finally, we'll be working in an activity that must be in our notebook, okay? We have a cutout. Well, I think that is going to be for homework. Okay, so that is all for today. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give you a brief definition of each word. Okay, we have the word yard. Okay, repeat after me, yard. Yard is a grassy area right outside our house, okay? And most of the times is surrounded by a fence, okay? We can have a backyard and a front yard, okay? The backyard is at the back of our house and the front yard is in the front part of our house and is next to the street. So, yard, that is the word. Okay, let's continue with the second one, and we have quick. Repeat, quick. Okay, we use this word when we want to express that we need to move fast in a short period of time, okay? Quick. Now we have stone. Stone. Okay, stone is a hard, solid mineral, okay? We can also say rock. Actually, there is a difference between each one, but I don't know it, okay? You can use one or the other instinctively. Okay, let's move on, and the next word is you. We use this word when we point out to someone and we say you. There's nothing special. For example, we can say, you are my friend. Okay, let's continue with glue. Glue. Glue is a substance that we use to paste. To paste maybe, I don't know, a piece of paper. And finally, we have the word scissors. Scissors. Okay, scissors are two metal blades that are attached to a handle, okay, and they are used to cut paper. Okay, these are the words of this week. What we are going to do now is to spell each one and write them down 3 times. Okay, we are already in our spelling and vocabulary section. What we are going to do is to write 3 times each word, okay? And first of all, we need to write yard. Yard. Okay, the second word is quick. Quick. Okay, I'm using the cursive letter, but if you want to use the script letter, it's okay, it doesn't matter. Quick. And the last time we are going to say quick. Okay, we are going to say now stones. Stones. Again, stones. And finally, stones. Okay. Let's move on to the number 4 and we write you. Okay, let me scroll down my screen. Okay, in the second line we write you, and in the last line we also write the word you. Okay, let's move on to the number 5 and we write glue. Glue. I didn't like that letter L. And finally, one more time we write glue. Okay, let me try to correct that letter, the second one, because I didn't like the letter L. I'm going to do it again. Okay, okay, much better, I guess. And the last one, we need to write scissors. Scissors again. Scissors. Okay, and finally, one more time, we write scissors, okay, with double S. Okay, when you finish, you can pause the video, okay, if you haven't finished yet. Okay, so now let's go to the words. They are the same, but we are now on page number 1, I guess. Let me check if we have the page here. No, it's number 1. Okay, now let's spell each word, and we say yard. Y-A-R-D, yard. Okay. The second, quick. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Number 3, stones. S-T-O-N-E-S, stones. Number 4, U. U. Y-O-U. Number 5, glue. G-L-U-E, glue. Number 6, scissors. Scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. Okay? So we're already finished with the spelling and vocabulary section. Now let's move on to the grammar section. Okay, guys, and now we are in our grammar section. What we have to do here is to complete with the right preposition. We have three choices. We can write in or under, okay? So the instruction says, look at your classroom and complete the sentences. So you need to remember your classroom in order to you can complete this activity. Okay, and it says, the first one, the books are on the shelf. Okay, let me take my pen. The books are on the shelf. Okay, the books are on the shelf. Okay, imagine that these are books, just to help you with the meaning. And in the second case, it says your shoes are. Your shoes. Oh no, that was not a good drawing. Okay, well, your shoes are under the desk, right? Under. Okay, number 3, the boxes are, the boxes. Okay, more or less, it is just an idea. The boxes are in the locker, okay? Number 4, the children. The children are sitting on the chairs. Let's continue. Your colors are, your pencil colors are in in your can, okay? The place where we keep our pencil colors. Okay, wait a second. Let me try to correct my drawing there. But I cannot take my eraser. I don't know why. Okay, let's continue. It doesn't matter. Okay, that is the idea. The idea is that the pencil colors are in the can. Okay, let's move on to the number 6. The cans are in our desk, okay? Because we keep our cans in the drawer that is in our desk, okay? So let's continue with the next one. The backpacks are, okay, do you remember what a backpack is? Okay, something like this, okay? We keep our notebooks and all our school supplies there. Okay, the backpacks are on the floor next to the door, right? And the last one, okay, I didn't complete here. Your colors are in the can. And finally, we are going to say the teacher is in the classroom, okay? So this is the activity that we are doing together. But now what you have to do is to do this activity for homework. This is very simple. What you have to do is to match each word, each preposition in, on, under with the right drawing, okay? That is going to be for homework, but you will have to You will have to write this activity in your comments, okay? So that is all for today. I hope you had enjoyed the class. I'll see you tomorrow then. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.